Hi everyone. If you're into mathematics and physics, you may have stumbled across the meme where sine of x is considered x, which is used by scientists and engineers when looking at periodic phenomena where x is small. For instance, a pendulum whose angle doesn't change by much has a very simple solution to the differential equation governing its motion when you treat sine of x as if it's equal to x. And it's easy to see why you can do this when you look at a graph of sine of x and x. You see that both sine of x and x have very similar values close to 0. This got me wondering, by how much does x and sine of x vary over time? We can use the percent error formula to determine this. The percent error formula is just the magnitude of the difference between the approximate and exact values of whatever you're looking at, divided by the exact value, and then multiplied by 100 to make it a percent. We can easily do this with x and sine of x in the Desmos online graphing calculator to get the parabola-looking shape in blue. The y values then represent the percent difference in value between x and sine of x at a certain value of x. For example, when we set y equal to 1 and then look at where the purple line intersects the blue line, we can see that x is equal to 0.244. We can then calculate sine of x to be the sine of 0.244, which is 0.242 approximately. Finally, we can apply the percent error formula, like so, and get the value of 0.999%, which is almost exactly the 1% that we had our y value set to. So we can see that by using the percent error formula with x and sine of x, we can then determine the percent by which x differs from sine of x for a given value of x. Thanks for watching.